Amazon Kitchen finds you didn't know you needed. This garlic dicer chops in seconds with just a push. No knives, no smelly fingers, just clean and quick. This cup twists to lock itself shut. No leaks, no mess. It even comes with a reusable straw for sipping on the go. Press the top of this drink dispenser and it pours instantly. No lifting heavy bottles, perfect for kids and lazy mornings. This adjustable measuring spoon replaces 9 spoons in one. Just slide, set, and scoop. Perfect for baking or cooking. This is the trolley dolly. It makes carrying heavy stuff up the stairs almost effortless. No lifting, no straining. Just roll and go. And this one's genius. It's called Fry Away. Sprinkle the powder into used oil and it turns solid so you can scoop it out. No mess, no drain clogs. This penguin egg holder keeps your eggs in place while boiling and looks adorable doing it. These beer sticks chill your drink fast. No ice, no watering it down. Hide your keys in this fake rock. No one will ever know it's not real. This hot dog roller spins all your dogs evenly on the grill. No flipping needed. These reusable straws snap apart for deep cleaning and click right back together. This is a Popeyes mold. Just twist and the cubes drop out. No touching, no mess. The Thaw Claw holds meat underwater so it defrosts evenly every time. This smart trash can seals and swaps the bag for you. Hands-free cleaning. Air fryer liners that save you from scrubbing ever again. Just cook, toss, and go. And this sink topper gives you instant counter space. Perfect for tiny bathrooms. This human dog bed is made for people oversized, cozy, and comes with its own blanket. And yes, it's machine washable. This jar opener handles everything from tight pickle jars to soda bottles and even some cans. No more struggling in the kitchen. This latte pen lets you draw on your drinks, perfect for adding hearts, names, or cute designs to coffee, hot chocolate, or even milk. This rotary cheese grater gives you 3 blade attachments. Great for cheese, veggies, or even nuts. It's fast, safe, and fun. These mess-free. Clippers store all the nail bits inside. Just open the cap and toss when done. These dissolvable food labels vanish in water. No scrubbing. Sticky labels off containers ever again. This electric pot plugs right into the wall. Cook noodles, soups, or eggs straight from your dorm or bed. No stove needed. This can pump keeps your fizzy drinks carbonated long after you open them. Scroll TikTok hands-free with this Bluetooth scroller. It lets you flip through videos without ever touching your screen. This genius spoon has a little notch, so it rests cleanly on your counter. No mess, no spoon rest needed. This magnetic charging cable folds itself up. No tangles, no mess. Perfect for travel or your nightstand. This green vacuum light clips onto any vacuum and reveals hidden dust and pet hair. You'll be shocked at what's really on your floors. This is the world's brightest flashlight. It literally lights up a park. These rechargeable hand warmers snap together magnetically. Stay warm for 16 hours and they even charge your phone. This cutting board has a defrosting tray that thaws meat in under 30 minutes. It even has a built-in knife sharpener. This is a tattoo printer that works on your skin or clothes. You can print any custom design straight from your phone. This door stopper alarm makes a loud noise if anyone opens the door. Great for safety at night or in hotels. This one-way window film reflects heat, blocks UV rays, and gives you full daytime privacy. It clings without glue and can be reused. Perfect for renters and super easy to install. This glass measuring cup set comes in 3 sizes so you can prep, pour, and cook with total ease. No more guessing or switching bowls. This is a viral rain cloud nightlight. It uses real water to make soothing rain sounds and changes color while it glows. This is a smart toaster with a built-in touchscreen. You just pick your bread type and it pops out perfectly golden every time. No burning, no guessing. This torch nightlight detaches from the wall. Carry it like a flashlight when you don't want to turn on the lights. This little converter turns AAA batteries into AA battery, so you're never out of power in a pinch. This gadget turns a watermelon into a drink dispenser. Fill it up and serve. It's fresh and looks awesome at parties. This is an AirPods case that looks exactly like a Vaseline bottle. Nobody would ever guess it's holding your earbuds. It's funny, clever, and a great theft deterrent. This food vacuum sucks the air out of any bag. That means your snacks stay fresh way longer. The ArcPulse phone case doesn't look like a case at all. It covers just the edges but still protects your phone from 99% of drops. It's sleek, slim, and doesn't hide your phone's design. This kneeling desk chair supports your posture and your focus. You can sit a few different ways and it actually feels good. This egg cracker cracks eggs perfectly and works as a little tray for your spoon or spatula. This is a robot bartender that makes drinks for you. Just load the ingredients and press start. This is a beverage chiller that cools your drink in just a few seconds. You don't need to wait. It's fast and super convenient. Perfect for parties, road trips, or lazy days at home. This light bulb fan screws in like a regular bulb, then starts spinning instantly. This self-stirring glass mixes your drink with the push of a button and even self-cleans with dish soap. This Stanley cup ice mold fits your tumbler perfectly, even leaves space for the straw. This is an AI plant pot that tells you when to water your plant. It's like a smart assistant for your greenery. You'll never overwater or forget again. This foldable phone holder clips onto your laptop perfect for multitasking on calls or content. This electric card shuffler mixes 2 decks in seconds no more. Clumsy hands or cheating friends. This cable zipper turns desk chaos into clean lines. Just zip it up and you're organized. This handheld ink printer lets you print custom text on nearly anything: wood, fabric, even skin. This is an anti-gravity humidifier that looks unreal. The water seems to float upward while it runs. It even has a built-in clock, no idea why, but it's awesome. This is a glass rinser you can add next to your sink. It sprays water straight up and rinses your cup in seconds. It's fast, satisfying, and super easy to install. This umbrella has a built-in fan and mist sprayer. It cools you down while you walk in the sun. Perfect for hot days and beach trips. This battery tester shows exactly how much charge is left. No more guessing if your batteries still work. It works on almost every size battery. This jar opener goes under your cabinet and stays hidden. Just twist and it opens any lid with no effort. This electric screwdriver has magnetic bits and LED lighting. It's super compact and charges with USB. Perfect for small jobs and DIY projects. This magnetic window cleaner scrubs both sides at once. It sticks together through the glass as you move it. This is a full steam sauna that fits in a bag. Set it up anywhere and relax with real steam. This travel pillow stores clothes inside, giving you extra luggage space on vacation. These look like fries, but they're actually bag clips. They keep your snacks fresh and stick to the fridge. This is a digital tape measure for curves and corners. It can measure up to 300 feet with high accuracy. This is a wall-mounted pill dispenser with 14 compartments. It keeps your meds organized and releases them all at once with a single push. This mini projector is the size of a soda can, but it can project a 100-inch screen anywhere. Perfect for movie nights or travel. This mouse wiggler keeps your cursor moving, so it looks like you're active, even if you're not. This pizza slider tray helps you grab slices without burning your hands or making a mess. Way better than using a fork. These silicone sponge gloves have built-in scrubbers. Just add soap and wash dishes hands-on. No separate sponge needed. This is the BeatBot iSkim Ultra, a robot that skims the surface of your pool and charges itself with solar power. These magnetic travel bottles snap together for easy packing. You can also swap out the labels depending on what's inside. This portable clothes dryer can dry up to 9 shirts in just 20 minutes. It's compact and perfect for small apartments or vacations. These silicone can covers keep leftovers fresh without switching containers. Just stretch and seal. These mug stackers double your cabinet space by letting you stack cups neatly without tipping. This air purifier removes 99.97% of pet hair, dander, smoke, and odors using a powerful H13 HEPA filter, so your home always smells clean and fresh, even with pets. It runs quietly in the background and is made for pet owners who want cleaner air without any effort. All products links in bio.